You have friends and followers on YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook, and you want to market your unique product. But what's the point of social media for your home business if you can't monetize it? Well, what if you could? More and more people today are liking and sharing products and services with their friends and their friends via posts and online video. The fact is, more than 71% of Americans watch videos online, so it really is becoming an impossible medium for brands and products to ignore. The largest online video site, obviously, is YouTube. But did you know that Facebook actually accounts for nearly 40% of all YouTube views? This mainly comes from friends sharing videos with each other. In fact, currently over 38 million people in the US say their purchase decisions are influenced by online videos. The truth is, we all have a social media network or downline sales organizations via our own network of friends and followers and the influence these individuals have on their own social networks. 78% of consumers trust peer recommendations, while only 14% trust advertising. This is what makes network marketing or direct selling so powerful. Today, we'd like to introduce you to social media monetization at a whole new level with the JWorld platform. Now you can sell Jeunesse Global products on all your social media sites. Jeunesse provides you with a revolutionary new sales tool called the JWorld platform. This is a video player that has e-commerce built right in. What this means is, when you share your Jeunesse videos with your friends, you also share your built-in Jeunesse store. The patent-pending JWorld Smart Store from Sensei allows you to create your very own social media sampling, selling, and lead generation campaign in seconds. And your Smart Store has the like, share, and play buttons built in, so that your viewers can signify their affinity for your Jeunesse Global product line as they watch and share your videos around the world. Jeunesse literally has the very first viral store in MLM history that will monetize your social media following, and it's all yours for the taking. Getting started is as simple as logging onto Facebook. We all have friends who love free samples, and you can provide free Jeunesse samples via video to all your family and friends across Facebook and all your other social networks. That's right, Jeunesse is so confident in their product's miraculous abilities that they're willing to give away samples to absolutely prove it. The only cost to people in your social media network is a mere $2 for shipping and handling for a $30 value of serum anti-aging skincare sample. And when they get their product, they're pre-enrolled as your Jeunesse customers, so they now too have a unique opportunity to become a distributor. The global beauty monetary growth rates are forecast to be between 8 and 10% over the next decade, and the anti-aging spending rates are expected to increase 46% from 2010 to 2015. This is a $500 billion market made up with baby boomers as well as generations X, Y, and Z. There's plenty of room for you to capitalize on these incredible spending trends. Jeunesse has experienced hands down the most rapid global expansion in the history of the beauty industry, and they were recently listed as number 82 of the top 100 global network marketing companies. Jeunesse is a $120 million company with owners that have created 15 millionaires and paid out more than $77 million in distributor commissions. This is the power of the JWorld platform, powered by the Sensei Smart Store.
Wouldn't it be cool if someone took a global leader in anti-aging and broke the mold? If someone took our best-selling products, backed with science, and kept its DNA,